Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I am here with another video for you guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a magical night cream which will make your skin clear, bright and light. It will also treat your acne. So before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the like button, share my video. Thank you. So let's get into the video. So the first product of this DIY magical night cream is aloe vera gel. We all know the benefits of aloe vera gel. I'll share some of the benefits with you guys. So first of all, aloe vera gel is very good moisturizer. It hydrates your skin so well. Aloe vera gel has healing properties. It fights with the acne. It makes your skin clear, and it also treats sunburn. So all we need is 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Mix it well in a bowl. Our second ingredient is glycerin. So glycerin is so hydrated. It hydrates your skin so well. It locks the moisture of your skin. It makes your skin soft. It has anti-aging properties in it. It maintains the pH balance of your skin. We just need 4 to 5 drops of glycerin. If your skin is oily, just use 3 drops of glycerin. If your skin is dry, then use 4 to 5 drops of glycerin. Mix the glycerin with the aloe vera gel and make a good paste. So our last and the most important ingredient of this DIY cream is a vitamin E. So vitamin E has a lot of benefits. So I'll share some with you guys. So vitamin E is powerful antioxidant. It is effective for the UV damage in the skin. It nourishes your skin. It makes your skin healthy. It brightens up your skin. So we just need 1 capsule of vitamin E. Mix these 3 ingredients together very well and store this cream in a empty jar or empty cream bottle. You guys can store this cream up to 2 weeks. Use this cream at night time before going to your bed. It will reduce your acne, it will brighten up your skin, and it will make your skin glowy and healthy. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to share the reviews of this cream in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe me and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.